Good afternoon to all. Once again, welcome to the world of information and communications technology. Today, we are discussing about our second chapter. Okay, our second chapter, setting the page. Okay, previous class we are already discussed about our first chapter, layout of pictures. In that chapter, we discussed the software GIMP, right? Okay, now let us start our second chapter, setting the page. In this chapter, we are discussing studying about the software LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is the word processor software of Ubuntu operating system. Okay, it's the word processor software in LibreOffice Ubuntu operating system. LibreOffice Writer. You already studied about LibreOffice Writer, your word processing software, your 8th standard, 7th standard. Okay, first is Malayalam typing. That is the first activity of your second chapter. Compound letters, കൂട്ടക്ഷരങ്ങൾ, then ചില്ലക്ഷരങ്ങൾ, കൂട്ടക്ഷരങ്ങളും ചില്ലക്ഷരങ്ങളും. Okay, first you have to change the keyboard layout to English to Malayalam. Okay, go to the top of the desktop panel, top panel, change the keyboard indicator from en, that is English, to Malayalam. Okay, okay, then open your word processor software, that is LibreOffice Writer, applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Okay, application, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Yes, after that you can type compound letters, that is Ika, Umba, Ksha, Tra, Inja. Okay, the compound letters to form the letter is Ka, Ka, Chandrakala, Ka. That is Ika. Okay, you type the English alphabet in the keyboard. Ka means K, Chandrakala D, then again K. That is K, D, K, Ka, Ika. Okay, then Umba. Okay, C for Ma, then Chandrakala, M, then H for Pa, Mba. Okay, next is Cha, that is K, D, Sha, shift plus comma. Okay, shift plus comma, Cha, then Tra, L, D, J, J for Ra, Ta, Chandrakala Ra, that is Tra. Next is Inja. ഓക്കെ, പഞ്ചമം എന്നൊക്കെ പറയണം നമ്മൾ, പഞ്ചമം, സഞ്ചി. ഓക്കെ, ഇഞ്ച, അതിന് ഞാ, ചന്ദ്രകല, ച, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് സ്ക്വയർ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഞാ, ഡി, then semicolon, ja. Okay, ka, kha, umba, ucha, tra, ninja. Okay, okay, look here. Ka, k plus d plus k, umba, c plus D plus H, cha. K plus D plus shift plus comma. Okay. Tra, L, L plus D plus J. Inja, shift plus square bracket plus D plus semicolon. Okay. What do you mean by this plus? It's for meaning, means for adding letters. Okay, only that meaning, not the symbol plus. Okay. The next table is chillaksharangal. Okay, you can type the chillaksharangal first. Ir. Okay, you can see the key in that table. Il. Sorry, ir. Next in, shift V, in. Okay. Next, shift 8 for ul. Next, shift X, in. Then shift full stop, il. Ir, in, il, in, il. Chillaksharangal. Okay. You already studied about Malayalam typing in previous classes, previous standards. Okay. So, okay. Next is superscript and subscript. You may come across situations where you have to type mathematical equations and chemical formula like a square plus 2ab plus b square and H2SO4. Okay. In the equation a square plus 2ab plus b square, the number twos in the top of the letter is called superscript, and in H2SO4 the 2 and 4 are called subscript. Okay, bottom of that letter. Okay, we can type the equation a square plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a 2 plus 2ab plus b 2. Okay, then select the twos. Press the control, press and hold the control key and select the second, no, two. Then go to format menu, text menu, superscript option. The shortcut key for superscript option is control shift P. Okay, again you type. The letters are in the top. Okay, you can disable the superscript option. Okay, okay. Next is H2SO4. H2SO4. Okay. Select the letter. Press and hold the control key. Select the number 2. Format text. Subscript. The shortcut key for subscript option is Control Shift B. Control plus Shift plus B. Okay. H2SO4. This is superscript and subscript option. Subscript technique in LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Next is let's digitize the seminar paper. Okay. It's an activity. In figure point 2.1, an unformatted page. You can see മലയാള ചെറുകഥ 1889 വിദ്യാവിനോദിനി മാസികയിൽ പ്രസിദ്ധീകരിച്ച ഓക്കെ ആ പേജ് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടില്ലേ go to home folder, school resources, standard 9, ചെറുകഥ. Okay. We can modify this Malayala Charugada, the introduction of Malayala Charugada. Okay, go to format menu, page, page tab. You can select the format of the page. You can change the margin. Okay, you can change the bottom top of that margin. Okay, then this is paper tray. That's for printer settings. Okay, click on OK. The margin settings is changed. Then page border. Okay, you can change the border from here. This is a border, and select one type of border. And line style, you can change the width of that line and color. Okay, click on apply. Okay, okay, that is border. Then format page is area color. You can give the color. Okay, or format page area bitmap patterns. There are some designs. Okay, you can click on the designs too. Okay, this is for changing the background, change the border, and you can change the font name also. Select the font and Rachana. Select any Chilanga Malayalam font. Okay, ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ എയ്ത്തിലും സെവൻത്തിലൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ okay, let's wind up today's session. Next class we will study about header and footer, for inserting header and footer, arranging columns, and adding the picture. Okay, all of you prepare the notes. Okay, short notes for this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, okay friends, goodbye.